Oh guys, we are here, NWA Streetworks, about to get the tune on for the old truck. All right guys, if this is your first time seeing Stanley, it's our Turbo LS C10. It's got a 2005 Gen 4 4.8, 208,000 miles, came from an 05 Tahoe. It's got a 4L80 behind it that we bought from Craigslist, to tell you how long ago we've had it. Had Kevin Hensley go in and put a shift kit and a new front pump in it, and replaced, I think, first and second gear clutches, something like that. And so we did that. We've got a TCI Triple disc converter in it. We've got a comp cams, custom grind cam, all that shit. Essentially, it's a 277, 282 cam with 115 lobe separation, 613, 608 on the lift with a 390 rear gear. So here's some dyno videos.
It's going lean whenever you're...
It started to get in the boost, so it started getting lean, so it's good.
All right guys, hey, so we are pulling the wastegate here to install a couple more springs. Blow my skirt up. All right guys, so we're gonna spray a little bit of nitrous here on the intercooler. We did this a couple times, really trying to get that 500 wheel horsepower mark. So as you'll see, we don't get there, but it sure makes for a cool video. All right, guys, so I don't know if you noticed on a couple of those videos we had some oil blow by. So what we are going to do is add a catch can. Right now I had the PCV system plumbed right into the intake. So Robert thinks it's maybe costing us a few octane once we get up in boost. So we're gonna put on a catch can. That'll be in the next video. We're gonna do a catch can. We're also gonna do a Trailblazer SS or a NNBS intake, a new body style intake on it. I've seen where people are they're getting an extra 25 or 30 horsepower just from that intake swap. So we're gonna make that swap because Robert has one that he pulled off of a truck that they did over there. So we'll have that. So I guess that's about it for this one. I'm gonna close it out here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The next couple videos for this truck are gonna be a ton of fun. Lots of rolling burnouts, lots of donuts, lots of just street truck type stuff. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with everything we've got coming, and follow us everywhere. Instagram, I don't know, Facebook, TikTok, we got a podcast, all that stuff. All right, thanks a bunch, guys.